Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
We've got an adorable one-bedroom condo unit at Laketown Warf, and these are so spacious. It's over 1,000 square feet, but one huge room. What's really great is even though it's a one bedroom, they sleep 6. You've got a whole bedroom, master bedroom with the king bed. You've got a bunk room that sleeps 2 more, and you've got a sleeper sofa. And you just can't beat these views. And after you check out this unit, I want you to double check that balcony. There's so much space. Laketown offers some of the largest balconies on Panama City Beach, and it's just across the way. So you've got a little bit lower price points, but you've got lots of income potential here. So let's go in and check it out. Welcome to the main bedroom. Look at how spacious this is. There's plenty of room. You've got a king size bed, a dresser, you've got your closet, and 2 end tables. There's plenty of space, especially for a perfect little beach getaway. And this one has an ensuite, so check it out. There's plenty of space for 2 of you, even though there's just 1 sink and a great little shower. But again, it's the perfect little place for a beach getaway. So again, the space, even though this is just a 1-bedroom unit, there's so much space here. You've got this nice open kitchen right next to the dining room table, and everybody can eat here, eat at the bar, sit in the nice, huge living room that there is overlooking that beautiful horizon. And we passed a great little bunk room on the way, so this unit has 1 king bed and a bedroom, but 2 full baths, because there's a second bath that you need to check out right there in the bunk room. So for more information, check in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you. You can check out the price, more square footage, extra photos, and all of the added details. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel on YouTube, The Beach Show, and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any future deals like this one.